Hello, let's go over how to install Fieldman app on your Android device from Google Play Store. First, let's open Play Store and search for Fieldman. Once you see Fieldman icon, select it and then select Install. And select Open. After the app opens for the first time, you should see the configuration screen. Once obtain the address and the password to connect to your project, click Connect. Alternatively, you can request a barcode from support like this, where you can scan the configuration. Once connected, log in with your username and a password.